Bullish 1-inch value expectation is 81 cents to $3.06. 1-inch organization cost could likewise reach 80 cents soon. Bearish 1-inch cost expectation for 2022 is 52 cents. In 1-inch organization cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data around 1-inch to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. 1-inch organization current market status. The cost of 1-inch organization is 58 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $23,719,019 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, 1-inch has diminished by almost 0.7% as of now. Besides, 1-inch organization has a circling supply of 583,868,561 1-inch. Right now, 1-inch organization exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Upbit, LBank, Bitrue, and FTX. What is 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization is the administration badge of 1-inch organization stage. 1-inch organization is a decentralized trade aggregator. The local token was sent off as an ERC20 token on the 25th of December 2020 and keeps on existing as a multi-chain token. 1-inch has three essential capabilities in DEFI: conglomeration convention, liquidity convention, and cutoff request convention. It is live on major blockchains, for example, Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Brilliant Chain, Torrential Slide, Confidence, and Phantom. 1-inch organization value expectation 2022. The above graph of 1-inch organization spread out the diving channel design, otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, 1-inch organization is in the scope of 57 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of 1-inch could arrive at the obstruction levels of 65 cents and 73 cents. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of 1-inch may tumble to 55 cents. 1-inch organization backing and obstruction level. The outline beneath shows the help and opposition levels of 1-inch organization. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of 1-inch organization. The outlines show that 1-inch organization has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, 1-inch could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $3.06. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of 1-inch organization could fall to nearly 52 cents, a negative sign. 1-inch organization value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of 1-inch organization is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of 1-inch lies underneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of 1-inch organization is displayed in the outline above. Remarkably, the 1-inch organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, 1-inch has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of 1-inch whenever. In the interim, the general strength file of the 1-inch is 44.80. This implies that 1-inch organization is in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of 1-inch may happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange 1-inch organization value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional record of 1-inch organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of 1-inch organization. As of now, the ADX of 1-inch lies in the scope of 29.516 and consequently, it shows areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise addresses the general unpredictability file of 1-inch organization. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of 1-inch lies under 50, showing low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of 1-inch organization is at 44.80, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of 1-inch with BTC, ATH. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and 1-inch organization. From the above outline, it very well may be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and 1-inch are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and 1-inch additionally increment or reduction separately. 1-inch organization value forecast 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, 1-inch organization could likely achieve $2 by 2023. 1-inch organization value forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, 1-inch organization could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, 1-inch could mobilize to hit $5 by 2024. 1-inch organization value expectation 2025. If 1-inch organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, 1-inch would mobilize to hit $8. 1-inch organization value forecast 2026. If 1-inch organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, 1-inch would energize to hit $11. 1-inch organization value forecast 2027. In the event that 1-inch organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, 1-inch would energize to hit $14. 1-inch organization value expectation 2028. On the off chance that 1-inch organization holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, 1-inch would hit $17 in 2028. 1-inch organization value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on 1-inch organization, it would observe significant spikes. 1-inch could hit $20 by 2029. 1-inch organization value forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the 1-inch organization environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into 1-inch for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Consequently, 1-inch organization could hit $23 by 2030. And, with persistent enhancements in the 1-inch organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for 1-inch. Hence, the bullish value expectation of 1-inch organization in 2022 is $3.06. Then again, the negative value expectation of 1-inch organization cost expectation for 2022 is 52 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the 1-inch organization biological system, the presentation of 1-inch would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $8.65 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach 80 cents assuming that the financial backers accept that 1-inch as a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization is the administration and utility badge of the 1-inch organization stage, a DEX aggregator. 1-inch was sent off on December 25, 2020. 2. Where might you at any point buy 1-inch organization? 1-inch organization has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, OKX, Upbit, LBank, Bitrue,